This is a China based on circuit with microphone also with the echo. This is made in China amplifier. You can see the model. This one is OK339AA OK339AA model. This one is the main volume. This one for the bass for everything. Bass. This one is the bass. This one is the treble, and this is echo. This is echo for this microphone. Here is two microphone. This two microphone volume. Microphone volume echo, and this is the volume. This is the volume for two microphone. You can see here mic volume, MIC volume. This one is the microphone volume, and this one is the microphone echo. Now this is the audio input. This input will come from the Bluetooth card. This is the audio input, Bluetooth card or auxiliary as you want. This is the audio input. Middle is the ground, then left channel and right channel. Middle is the ground, left channel and right channel. Okay, this is the audio input, studio audio input from here, and this is the audio output, studio audio output. This is middle one is the ground, then this one the right speaker, and this one is the left speaker. And you can see here on another socket, this one is the 5 voltage. This is 5 voltage output for the audio Bluetooth card. This is the 5 voltage regulated IC. 7805. The component don't use the heatsink. Now I am going to fix one heatsink here. I am fixing one heatsink here. If we use heatsink, it will be good for this regulated IC, because this IC makes hot. This IC makes a 5 voltage for the Bluetooth audio card. Now you can see here is the diode. This is 5 voltage of 5 volt output. You can see this one. First one is this one negative, and another negative and positive. Negative is body and positive. Now you can see one diode here and two capacitor are here. Here you have to use 12 voltage to 15 voltage. 12 voltage to 15 voltage. This middle one is the ground, center tap, and left and right AC from the transformer. You can see here use two capacitor. Both capacitor are 16 voltage. So we cannot use 15 voltage AC. We have to use 12 voltage. We have to use better to change this capacitor. Here always use 25 voltage capacitor. Don't use 16 voltage capacitor. Thank you for watching the video.